Hello viewers, welcome back to another exciting video. Today we're going to talk about ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? What is the future of ChatGPT? And how can ChatGPT be used to make money? GPT, short for Generative Pre-training Transformer, is a type of artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI. It is a large, deep neural network that is trained to generate human-like texts by predicting the next word in a given sequence. One of the key features of GPT is its ability to generate highly coherent and coherent texts, making it particularly useful for tasks such as language translation, text summarization, and content creation. GPT was first introduced in 2018 research papers by OpenAI's researchers and has since become one of the most widely used AI models in the field of natural language processing. One of the primary applications of GPT is in chatbots, which are computer programs that can stimulate conversation with human users through messaging applications, websites, or mobile apps. Chatbots that use GPT are able to understand and respond to user input in a more natural and human-like way, making them a popular choice for customer service, e-commerce, and other applications that involve interacting with customers or users. One of the main advantages of using GPT in chatbots is its ability to generate highly relevant and personalized response to user inquiries. For example, a chatbot that uses GPT may be able to provide specific product recommendations or personalized support based on the user's previous interaction with the chatbot or the company's website. In addition to chatbots, GPT is also used in a wide range of other applications including language translation, text summarization, content creation, and even language generation for creative writing. Overall, GPT has proven to be a powerful and versatile tool for improving the effectiveness and efficiency of natural language processing tasks. Its ability to generate human-like texts and respond to user inquiries in a personalized and relevant way makes it a viable asset for a wide range of applications, including chatbots. Before we jump into the next part of the video, please do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel for more videos like these. Future of ChatGPT. It is unlikely that ChatGPT technology would eliminate jobs, even though it is an effective tool for automating discussion. Human creativity and interpersonal abilities cannot yet be fully replaced by technology. ChatGPT technology should be utilized to support rather than replace tasks. It is difficult to predict the exact future of ChatGPT as it will depend on the ongoing development in the field of artificial intelligence and natural language processing. However, it is likely that ChatGPT will continue to play a significant role in the development of chatbots and other applications that involve interacting with customers or users in a natural language settings. One potential direction for the future of ChatGPTs is an increased focus on personalization and individualization. As chatbots and other AI-powered systems become more advanced, they may be able to provide even more personalized and relevant response to user inquiries, potentially leading to more seamless and natural interactions between humans and bots. Overall, the future of ChatGPT is likely to be characterized by continued improvement and enhancements in the technology, leading to more sophisticated and effective chatbots and other AI-powered systems that are able to better understand and interact with users in a natural language settings. Making money from ChatGPT. Depending on the application and business strategy, there are various methods to leverage ChatGPT to generate income. E-commerce. ChatGPT can be used to power chatbots that facilitate online shopping by making recommendations for products, responding to customer queries, and guiding customers through the purchasing process. Following that, businesses can make money by selling goods or services via chatbots. Customer service. ChatGPT can be used to power chatbots that offer customer care, such as resolving customer issues or responding to frequently requested inquiries. Businesses can make money by charging customers for the usage of chatbots or by selling goods or services. Advertising. In order to deliver tailored advertising to users based on their interests or prior interactions with the chatbot, ChatGPT can be utilized as the chatbot's power source. The business can then make money by selling advertising space or by charging a charge to utilize the chatbot. Subscription-based services. Businesses can employ ChatGPT to fuel chatbots that provide user access to unique material or services, including tailored recommendations or help, or that offers subscribers personalized recommendations. Following that, the businesses might make money by selling subscriptions. Here are some other ways in which ChatGPT can be of assistance: generating text faster, summarizing information, providing ideas, translating texts, generating data. Overall, ChatGPT has the potential to be a viable tool for generating revenue in a number of different industries and applications. If you liked the video, please hit the subscribe button so that you can be updated for more tech videos like these.